Peace be upon you. In this video, we will explain how to recover deleted videos. I will share with you one of the best applications for recovering deleted videos. The application has a free version and a paid version. We will only use the free version, and I will leave you a link to it in the first pinned comment before proceeding to the explanation. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's proceed to the explanation, with God's blessings. Now, we go to our phone's gallery. As you can see, here are my videos. I have 29 videos on my phone. When the application recovers videos, it will also recover or mix the videos you have. There, you will find the existing videos and also the deleted videos. Now, we go to the application. As we said, there are 29 videos. You will find the application as follows. We will find a search for video files. Click on it. It can also find deleted photos for you. Just to point out, there is no free application that recovers all videos and photos 100%, everything. It will recover some videos, but not everything. This is just for transparency. As you can see, 97 files are recoverable. And as we mentioned before, I have 29 videos on my phone. The app has recovered more than 60 videos. Now click OK. My friend, go to the video you want to recover. Just click on it like this, or any video you want. For example, I will recover this video. After selecting the video I want to recover, click here on Recover. Here, choose the second option and go to I want to recover this video and save it. For example, I will choose this folder, then click here on Use this folder, then click Allow. Now that video has been successfully recovered. If we go to our phone's gallery, we will find that the video has been recovered. I had 29 videos, now I have 30. This app is one of the best apps for recovering deleted videos. God willing, you will like it, and you will find its link in the first pinned comment before the end. Don't forget to write any comments or questions you have in the comments. May God, in whose care nothing is lost, protect you.